Okay, so I'll be showing you how to make a scene and how to kind of set up OBS Studio. First, click this plus. You can do game capture, then it should say window, and you can pick which window of what game you're on. You have to have the game up first. But display captures, you can display capture as in this, and you can also remove from doing that. But if you have the display capture, it should show a lot of screens like this. Now, how to do audio. You will have to go to here, then put your mic here, both mics here, and that should be good. Also, hotkeys are pretty good for if you want to do it. What I do for my streams on YouTube, I go to mute. This one right here, you can mute your mic. For example, 8 would be mute, then 9 would be not mute. I use that a lot. For example, this will go gray if I click 8. And whenever it's gray, it means that nobody can hear you. But you can also do a lot of settings here. Mostly video, you need to set up this thing a lot. For example, you can set FPS would be what your stream will be or recording. For example, right here is 60 FPS, and you can see a lot of stuff there. You can also go here and click this to create a new scene and have different stuff into it. For example, I can do a color source to orange. You can do it whatever, but I just use that. But you could have it orange, then you can have the scene that shows games here, and you can have a scene that will show like Be Right Back or whatever. I use that a lot. You can also make entirely different scenes. For example, I have Minecraft and Roblox and Leaf Company, so I could have my own Be Right Backs and stuff. You can also do text. For example, you could make your sub count or say a goal. And whatever you want that goal to be, you can move it around. But this little key, right, this little lock here, if you click it, it will lock it and you can't move it anymore. You can also make it disappear. But I did this, and goodbye.